Hi there. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. So, in this video, I'm going to speak about an interesting topic in the industry. Keep watching. What digital marketing skills are in demand? Digital marketing is a fast growing field, and companies always look for talented marketers. Marketers need to adapt the new technologies, improve their skills, and learn new skills to stay competitive. We look at some of the most common digital marketing skills in demand and explain how you can develop them. What are digital marketing skills in demand? Digital marketing skills are in demand by nearly every business and company online. The ability to market a business online is incredibly important. What skills do you need to succeed as a digital marketer? Few people succeed at digital marketing without learning the skills of SEO and social media marketing. Understanding search engine optimization and social media advertising often separate people from others. Learning these skills is essential. Knowing these subjects and how they work can set you apart from other digital marketing specialists. However, there is more that you need to understand to reach success as a digital marketer. Here are some other skills you need to succeed as an online marketer. Digital marketing skills. This includes understanding how to use and navigate through the internet. It also includes understanding how search engines work and how you can make the most from your optimization. Writing skills. This includes writing informative content that can be used to attract customers. Creative skills. It is essential to use various images and videos to attract attention. Creating your pictures, videos, and animations can be cheaper than hiring someone else to do this for you. Using your skills means you're more likely to spend less than if you hired someone. Math skills. Whether you understand algorithms or statistics, understanding math and numbers is essential. Statistics can help understand how users behave on your social media page or website. How to learn different digital marketing skills. If you're looking to learn different digital marketing skills, several resources are available online. One way to find resources is to use Google search. You can use the search the web box on the Google homepage to find websites that offer digital marketing training. You can also use Google search to find digital marketing articles. This type of search will return articles written about digital marketing topics. Reports can be read independently or used as a resource for further study. Another way to find digital marketing resources is to visit online resources centers. These centers offer a variety of digital marketing training courses and resources that can help you build your digital marketing skills. Several online forums offer digital marketing training. This type of forum allows you to ask questions and receive help from other members. You can find resources that will help you improve your digital marketing skills through these forums. Finally, you can also join online courses that offer digital marketing training. These courses provide various training options, from self-study to classroom-based training. Through these courses, you can learn about digital marketing strategies and techniques. Once you've found the digital marketing resources that are right for you, use them to improve your skills and learn more about this important field. Do digital marketing skills create demand? Digital marketing courses can teach you how to use a variety of digital marketing skills. These skills include content marketing, social media marketing, mobile marketing, email marketing, and search engine optimization. These skills can help your business find new customers and increase online sales. Consider taking digital marketing courses if you're interested in learning digital marketing skills. These courses can help you learn specific skills as well as teach you how to use a variety of digital marketing skills. You can learn how to use content marketing, social media marketing, mobile marketing, email marketing, search engine optimization, and more by taking digital courses. These courses can help you learn specific skills and teach you how to use various digital marketing skills. These courses can help your business find new customers and increase online sales. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. If you found this video is informative, follow me for more videos. Thank you.